Cardinal Health's Kangaroo nutritional delivery portfolio offers a safe, innovative, and complete solution of products that support pediatric and adult enteral feeding needs from the hospital to the home. Our single-step Gravity pediatric feeding system is designed to deliver nutrition while helping to minimize the chance of contamination. Available in 3 variations, including a bifurcated design, giving you the option to irrigate and deliver medicine without having to disconnect the set. Draw up the nutrition into the ENFit syringe using a milk straw or bottle adapter. Open the vented extension set and make sure it is not clamped before connecting to the ENFit syringe. To prime the vented extension set, gently press the plunger of the ENFit syringe until fluid reaches the distal end. Clamp after priming to prevent future flow until ready for the feed. Connect the ENFit female connector at the distal end of the extension set to the ENFit connection on the feeding tube. Remove the clamp to begin feeding. Remove the foil from the top of the vent and Gravity will take over. If fluid does not immediately begin flowing, gently press the plunger rod to initiate the flow. Note that the removal of the plunger is not required and can be left in to help prevent spilling of the formula and to help prevent environmental contaminations from coming in contact with the nutrition. For more information, please contact your local Cardinal Health sales representative.